Hey Ventures, welcome back to my journey as a resident of Earth. So a few weeks back, I got an email from Marriott about to register for a chance to win Cowboy Carter tickets, which I did because I always register for those just in case I get them. I'm not necessarily a fan. Please don't come for me. That woman does not even care that I'm not a fan. She doesn't even know that I exist. So please don't come for me if you see this. Um, but I do know that one of my sisters I remember was a fan, and another one of my sisters, she would love to go to she goes to concerts. So if she had a ticket, especially if she got to go with my other sister, I'm sure she would love it. So I'm like, okay, perfect. If I win, they could have it. And not too long after, I was talking to another friend, and he mentioned that he got an email for an opportunity to bid for tickets, and the email was to see Cowboy Carter for 1 point. I guess 1 point is the starting bid of those packages. It's a package of 2 tickets. So his wife is a fan, so naturally he was going to be bidding on tickets. But for me, I hadn't really considered the what do you call it? The possibility of bidding for tickets and using points, because I wasn't really interested in the tickets, and if I got them, I wasn't really gonna be going anyway. So, but today I got the email that he got, and it was reminding me that the packages are ending to, I guess put in my last bid. So I, out of curiosity, just logged in to see what they were going for. And what there was a package that was the current bid was 320 something. There was another package where the bid was 420 something. And by this I mean 1,000 points. And the way I look at 320,000 points is, you could get a pretty nice hotel for 60,000 points, depending on when and where. I stayed at the Bogota Marriott for 60,000 points, and that place was really nice for 5 days. So when I see 320,000 points, it says to me 30 nights at a hotel, at a nice hotel, depending on where. I've seen them in South America, I've seen them in Asia, where it's really nice hotels, really nice locations for 60, 70,000 points. So 320,000 points says 30 nights of 30 free hotel nights to me. 420,000 points is 35 hotel nights. Or is it 35? 7 times 6 is 42. Yeah. So to me it was, what, people are spending this much on tickets? But then again, I remember my friend mentioning how people were spending their rent money and other important funds on such tickets, and it just boggled my mind. And it made me wonder, like, how many points do you need to have for a pair of tickets to a single one-night concert to be worth 320 or even 500,000 points? Because if you're looking, if right now it's 300, it's 420, by the time the thing ends in a few hours, it probably will get to 400,000 points. So how many points would you need to have for a pair of Beyoncé tickets to be worth 500,000 points to you, when for 500,000 points or for 400,000 points you can easily spend 35 nights at some really nice hotels and some pretty cool places? So if you do see this and you do have accounts with points, that just, I would love to know what other people think. Like, how many points would you need to have for a pair of Beyoncé tickets to be worth 500,000 points to you? Or if you don't do the points things, what is a pair of Beyoncé tickets worth to you? Anyways, that's just my thought this morning. So until then, bon voyage to me and to you.